Hello, my name is Hannah, and I am your virtual guide to part 2 of frequently asked FDP questions. I will be answering questions about family, that is, spouses, partners, and dependent children in your financial disclosure. I will also clarify some points about assets, such as stocks and properties. Without further ado, let's dive in. Why does my confidential disclosure include my spouse or partner and dependent children? While there is no requirement for your spouse, partner, or dependent children to comply with the confidential financial disclosure program, their information is needed in order to better advise the organization of any potential conflicts of interest, which may arise as a consequence of their private financial interests. What if my spouse or partner does not provide me with the information I need to complete my disclosure? If you are unable to comply with the disclosure requirements regarding your spouse or partner, you will have to submit a detailed justification to the Ethics Office. What do I need to include in my FDP for my spouse/partner and dependent children? You are required to disclose the same information that you are submitting for yourself. Moreover, you must disclose their income from owning a business, organization, or society if their income exceeds $10,000. You must also disclose any trusts held by your dependents and any joint family assets that are greater than $10,000 as of December 31st of the reporting year. This is required regardless of the value of your portion of the asset. What exactly do you mean by an asset? Assets include, and are not limited to, real estate, stocks, personal bank accounts, bonds, mutual funds, and cryptocurrencies. Do I have to disclose each individual asset, or only assets with values over $10,000? You must disclose each asset with an individual market value equal to or greater than $10,000. This includes each piece of real estate. Similarly, if you own individual stocks, each individual stock that meets the reporting threshold should be named and disclosed separately. What is a stock option? A stock option, or equity or share option, is an option in which the underlier is the common stock of a corporation, giving the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell its stock at an agreed-upon price within a certain period or on a specific date. A stock option is different from common shares of a stock, and you should disclose this regardless of value. Please note that an investment in a family company can either be a stock or a stock option, depending on the contractual terms of your investment. Am I required to disclose the specific names of each of my individual stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and others? Yes. You are required to disclose the specific names of every asset that is individually worth more than $10,000 as of December 31st of the reporting year. You should also disclose any codes or symbols associated with each stock, bond, or mutual fund. These codes should be listed in your statement of accounts. What items are considered to be personal property? Personal property includes motor vehicles, boats, vintage cars, livestock, furniture, carpets, jewelry, precious gems or stones, and artwork. You only need to disclose personal property if you are keeping it for investment purposes and if the value is equal to or greater than $10,000. How do I value my real estate and investments? You should use the current fair market or assessment value as of December 31st of the reporting year. You are also required to disclose real estate that is jointly owned. If I sold a residence in the reporting year, should I report the sale? No. You only have to disclose the profit on the sale of personal property if it was held for investment purposes. This concludes part 2 of our frequently asked questions.